Hey, hola, wagwan. Hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're back, it means we're doing something right. Just on my way to RADA to start my farmer's ID, so stay tuned.
There's a big side
that I want everybody have to beat.
Yeah man, you have to beat it. You have to beat Brazil.
That's why in time Brazil lose. Some people can't get this word.
I can't my brother when and he said to me, he said, boy, you go and talk man, you wait until Netherlands hold them. I asked him, so Netherlands go for hold them.
I said,
What am I go for hold Brazil?
the Netherlands not side like that. I love me like all is like Netherlands still.
Head side, you know?
No, it's like Emma, but Netherlands got about 4 final and losing.
Yeah man, when I robbed in the bonnet.
Yeah, before I got no history with that.
Yeah, for real.
I hope I finally go and lose. Yeah, man. And when I time with the team, so they don't win World Cup. But they
ever find side, you know?
Yeah?
They ever find side?
They're good man in a good side, a good team.
They ever find side, brother?
A football country, them, you know. I must say, no.
Even Japan, I tell them other day, we talk about Japan. I tell them, so listen now, Japan is a team like this, but you can't write off Japan. You can't write off Japan. Japan was surprised upon the last minute of the game.
So they fit,
Yes,
man.
No,
They fit, they know stop run. They know stop run.
That's right.
Because they can't get player for overseas. They got good player overseas, but you're supposed to got, if I'm on 14 man, good 14 man,
I can tell you something. You know the big team in England, that's true? Alright. Most of the players them when they carry down, none of them the big team in England. None of them don't make the big team. I mean, I'll show you what happens. If you don't make them a team, to me you're better than them with that Jamaica.
No fireman is still play England. League 1, League 1 and League 2 1. I think championship no for them now.
Let me tell you something, once and I'm playing.
That's why you see England always have a problem with a good World Cup team every time. In most years now England produce a good World Cup team. Spain and Brazil play Brazil no half win.
Alright.
But that don't mean say me not go
Some of them don't understand the brother, so they tell you say, boy, you're organist.
No,
and me I tell them say, I don't know, organist, me say, I want to listen to me. Spain is my side. But me tell them from before World Cup, say Brazil will win World Cup.
Brazil man win though. A long time, you know, about 2002, about 20, you know.
I'm a football chat. Well, I'm videoing the town.
I better tell them say, don't tell him left high school now. Don't tell him left high school. And I tell them, say, boy, I can't be such a time fly. What's a time fly, man?
I tell you about it's 19 years, they say, my please must be an old man. Because the amount of years me left, so whenever I start again, 19 years, man, 2003, boy.
Tell the boy, a long time, man. Long time. I'm not telling you, I'm going to go to school, no boy. That's the part I do.
Man, tell me have happy life, man, sweet life.
Yes, no one.
Yeah, I'm not that tall to worry about.
So the taxi dropped us at RADA and I'm just sat here waiting to fill out my application form and take my photo for my ID. Hey, so just come out of RDA and it was quite successful. Filled out a form and now I just gotta wait for my visit and my ID. So I'm quite excited about that. So I'll keep you updated. So now walking back to the centre. RDA, I've been to RDA. RDA, I've been to RDA. Huh?
Just give me a bit of that, man. You're sitting there too much, man.
Pardon?
Walk around too much, man.
I'm documenting my journey. That's serious business, that. No bad language needed for that. Need a bin. And I had to wear this big, thick cardigan because my arms are showing. and I didn't have sleeves. I've got sleeveless on. So to take the picture I had to wear a cardigan to hide my my shoulders. So, ooh. Just dropped something on the floor. But yeah, so that's that. I think I need to take this cardigan off because I'm quite hot. Just get a picture. The funny face is trying to turn the camera around to take a picture of that. And did you notice all I kept doing was saying RDA? I was supposed to say RADA. You could catch a taxi back to the centre, which would cost $200 around, but we have chose to walk. So there was 3 important things that needed doing. So we did the first one, which was RADA, R-A-D-A. Yeah, got it now. And then on to the next 2. So finally got inside to hand in the document, and there's another long way. So didn't get through, gonna have to come back. Because I've got kids to pick up. So one thing I do notice is if you want to get something done in Jamaica, choose just one thing for that one day. You might get lucky if you choose more, but there's 3 things I needed to do, and I got through with one. So shall try again next week and come at the crack of dawn. We did leave at AM, but still a long process for everything, so we just need to always have enough time. Here we are at the taxi base ready to head home, but we phoned the farm store to see if our chickens were ready, as we've ordered some for the twins, and they said yes. So that meant heading to the hardware store to get more materials, as we haven't even finished the coop. So we need to get that done as we're going to collect the chickens. Well, I'm going to go with Top Farm while Busty completes the coop. Wish us luck.
I know some now. One time back, they put this before you reach up at home.
I believe you. Help your man to put them in. Yeah, come to my. This is the problem, man. Yeah, come good.
No. So you see that when you're young, you know, make use of your time, boy. I see something you should have to, you know. I see you catch me, you know.
I too, 20 years to run in our holy bro. We are the police area long, but we come with some of our you know, look up and away.
Yes, call this one. 5 o'clock.
Come on, stay.
On the way to get the chickens at Top Farm.
Yeah, Top Farm. I'm a Top Farm.
Tell
whip, you see me? But I'm a barber, we pick up some chickens, you know what I mean, yo?
Yes, yo.
My thing, man, I beat some 2 pack of boy, you see me? Yeah, man.
The hard times make a true friend afraid to ask. I come and see what you can run to me when you need, and I never leave, honestly. Someone to believe in that you can see. It's a small thing to a truth. What could I do? Real homies help you get through. And coming knew he do the same thing if he could. Cause in the hood, true homies make you feel good. And half the time we be acting up all the time. Bringing a piece to the piece that was on my block. And never stopped when my mama asked me, will I
Afternoon. Right.
What about chickens? You come to some chickens.
Sadly, there's no chickens to show you as there was a misunderstanding at the farm store. Our chickens wasn't ready, so we've got to wait a few days. But check out part 2 coming soon and you can see what's what. So here it goes. You know, the famous don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, comment and all them things there. Let's get us out there, guys. Got so much to show you. But thanks for watching.
Love from the Banfield family.